Hello guys, if you want to access the Snapchat AI, here is how you do it. Open the Snapchat app. Tap on the Chat tab. The My AI chat is usually at the top, tap on that. Here are some of the things you can do with My AI. Ask it questions about anything. Have it tell you jokes. Get it to help you with creative tasks, like writing poems or coming up with new ideas. Just chat with it and have fun. My AI is still under development, but it's learning new things all the time. The more you use it, the better it will get at understanding you and helping you out. So give it a try and see what you think. If you don't see My AI in your Snapchat chat list, try the following. Update your app. First, go to the App Store and search for Snapchat and update your app just like mine, which is not up to date. Second, tap onto your bitmoji settings and click on Support. You will find the My AI option at the bottom. Also, you can clear the app's cache. This mostly works for Android users. You might as well clear your Snapchat app cache. This will refresh the app so you can start afresh. Also, restarting your device might help solve the problem of not seeing the AI. If you still don't see My AI, you may not be eligible for the feature yet. Snapchat is rolling out My AI to users gradually, so it may not be available to everyone yet. Here are some troubleshooting tips if you're having trouble with My AI. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Check your internet connection. Try restarting your device. Clear the app's cache and data. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If you're still having trouble, you can contact Snapchat support for help.